Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to create a website using Canva for free. So let's start. First go to Canva and create an account. After that, go to the search bar and search for the website. Make sure to include this icon. And here we go, you can create a website from scratch or you can use one of those templates. So let's explain this side. From here, you can choose what style of our website looks. And from here, you can choose the theme for your website. Example, if you want to create a website about fashion, check it. So let's start building a website. I choose this one. Here we go. Now you can edit everything on this website or add anything to it. You can edit logo, text, images. Now you will ask me how we can make this website active. Like, if we click on this button, took me to another website. Easy to do that, just click on button if you want make it clickable and right click on it. Now choose the link. And here add link, you want open it when you click on the button. Let's add Google now. Click enter. After you finish your website, click on the preview to see how your website looks on desktop and mobile. Now to publish, click here. Click continue. From here you can edit the link. When you finish, click publish. So let's try to click on this icon. Here we go.